Hello Strutters, today we are strutting back into the kitchen and we are taking your store-bought cornbread mix and making it taste delicious and homemade. I mean, I promise you, no one will guess that it came from a mix. Start with preheating your oven to 400 degrees, and while your oven is heating, you can mix the ingredients together quickly. 2 boxes of your cornbread mix. Instead of the milk, you're gonna add a 1/3 cup sour cream and a 1/3 cup buttermilk. Then it's 2 eggs and 1 egg white. Mix it together, grease the pan, and then pour your batter into your pan. This time I'm not using a bread pan, but instead I'm using a bump pan. It just makes it seem extra festive and extra special for your guest. Then you're gonna stick it into the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. It really just depends on your oven. Then voila, take it out of the oven, pop it out of the pan. I put it on this beautiful cake plate. It's just really nice to have it displayed a little differently. Have some wonderful butter and syrup, and you've got this wonderful traditional homemade tasting Southern cornbread. So make sure and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the links below for products that I have chosen for you to easily purchase. And I would love to hear your comments on how you make store-bought cornbread mix taste homemade.